time runs out. Let's talk of other news now. In a major breakthrough in Kerala elephant death case, the Forest Department has arrested one suspect in the case. Two more suspects are being questioned in the elephant death case. The elephant had died after she was fed a pineapple filled with firecrackers by some villagers. Ajay Joy is joining us from Thiruvananthapuram to get us more on that. Ajay, we want you to spell out the details for us. We tell our viewers that one suspect, in fact, has been arrested in the elephant death case in Kerala. Let us know more details.
There has been a momentful day for the Forest Department here in Kerala, especially on Environment Day. They made huge headways into this investigation, I must say. Already they had deployed 3 separate teams to investigate this crime after it has garnered headlines across the world. So quite eventful day, I must say. First, in the morning itself, they got strong leads that about one of the suspects, and later he was arrested. He is a rubber tapping laborer in the estate at Ambalappara, Palakkad district, which is adjoining to the forest area. And another revelation has happened in his confession to the investigation team. So what he has revealed as per the process is the estate owner and his son is equally culpable in this crime. And 3 of them together, they placed the explosive laden trap on main tolls actually. So in their plantation. And the primary, what we have understood from the sources is that they have been engaged in boar hunting for quite some time. So the purpose of this laying the trap was that. And the elephant somehow got into the trap. And it is, as per the confession, let me reiterate, it's as per the confession and as per the sources that they could see the elephant also after this incident, and with the help of other people, they drove the elephant back into the forest. So these are the information that could be gathered from the official sources so far. But let me reiterate that this is yet to be officially stated by anyone. The charge sheets are yet to be filed. The other 2 accused are to be arrested, and the investigation team is going on in that direction right now.
All right, the charge sheet is to be filed, and 2 more suspects are being questioned and they are yet to be arrested. Thank you so much, Ajay, for joining us. And the Forest Department has arrested one suspect in the elephant death